Welcome to Lecture Maker training module. In this module, you will learn how to customize design. Earlier, you have learned about design in Lecture Maker. You can apply any design into the slide master. So in this case, we're going to learn about how to create your own design. So to do that, you have to be in the master slide master, and on the master slide property. So please select the background that you would like to have for the slides. So for example, I just select this image, and apply. So in this case, I already have titles master with this background. For body master, I can do the same. To select another image. So for example, this image. So with this, now I have the title and body master with two different designs. In order to save this design, I just need to go to Save As Design. So the design file is with the extension LMM. So in this case, I'll just put in the name, like for example, home. Study room, maybe study room. Okay, I can save it any way that I want. Click by saving it. So after saving it, you will find that the design is already inserted here with the same name as what the file name that you had created just earlier. So by then you can always, now in future, let's say for example, you go for a new file, you can always apply the same design into it. So there you go. Once you apply, you will find the master with the design that you have customized before. So that's all for customize a design. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to Lecture Maker training module. In this module, you will learn how to customize a template. Earlier, you have learned what is template. So you can easily apply any of this template into any slides. So now you're going to learn how to create a template and be part of this list. So to do that, you need to work on the slide, not master slide, but slides. So for example, in this particular slide number 1, I have to go to the slide property. I insert a background image. So I may select the image. Let's say for example this image, and so here it goes. I have the image of the first slide. Okay, so in here I can also insert things like text. So I would like to have text to be here. I can just enter the text, or you're able to do it by just applying layout. So for example, in this case I have this layout. I try to fit into this design, and maybe I would like to change the color of the text. Instead of black, I would like to have blue color, maybe in bold. Okay, and then it might have a subtitle, or I may have removed the subtitle. I may want to add in the text over here. Okay, so things like school. So in other words, actually we are telling the person who is going to create the content that we are guiding the person who is doing content so that they can know what are the things to put in. Furthermore, we can also put in things like buttons. For example, so I can create an image button. Okay, I look for the button. Let's say start button. And here you go. You have all the button, and they specify the action. Next, say for example, go to next slides, and don't forget to click on 100% as I mentioned earlier, so that you can get the button with the original size. And you may need to remove the label because you don't need the label for this button. Okay, so click. So when it's done, just click OK. Here it goes. Here is the button. So assuming this is the first template, you may want to create more templates. In fact, you can create as many templates as you want. So the next template, maybe in this case, I may want to apply a different background. For example, maybe on this empty background. Okay, I don't want to remove this. So this is a background. I may also want to insert a layout. For example, the layout is straightforward, simple. This is the layout. I need to just customize further the size so that it can fit into my background design. Okay, and may further change on the text with different color text. Okay, so now assuming these two are the we want to convert these two as a template, then what I need to do is to just go to save as. So for example, I want this template, start with the first one, template. I just go to save as template. And I just need to provide a name. Let's say for example, I call it cover. Okay, so, and if you look at the template now, you should be able to find the new template called cover. Now next, maybe for the next object, for the next slide, you may want to convert into template. Say you can do the same thing. So let's say for example, I call it content. Okay, so here it goes. Now you already have two new template, one called cover, the other one called content. So in future, you can just select and apply any of this template into any of the slides. So that's all for creating or customizing a template. Thank you.